This is Elise talking on the phone, or pretending to talk. Who's on the phone with you, baby? Exciting conversation. Can you call him back later? Thank you. It's for me. Hello? Yes? Yes, Elise is a very nice girl. You want to talk to her again? Okay, here she is. All right. I guess they hung up.